Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PUPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes, in this case, kind of summarizing the price action pretty straightforward. So if you're saying, look, Clay, summarize this for me quick, I would say pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of, because I know nothing about the company, so I'm not implying that this company is being run out of somebody's basement over in Somalia. I'm not saying that. I'm making that statement strictly on how the price has reacted. And my definition of a pump and dump from a price action perspective is price makes a very impressive move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it all started, or in some cases lower. So let's apply that definition and see how it shakes out. So let's first kind of just establish, well, where did this whole thing start? Well, the big move basically happened right here, right? I mean, this was the first big green candle, and then from there, you know, that's where it all started. So the first part, price makes a very nice move. Yeah, I would say that when it started here and going all the way up there, I don't think anybody's going to argue against that. That was a very impressive move, no doubt about it. But then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it was or where it started. So relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this move here happened all in a single day, I would say, yeah, that's a pretty short amount of time. So you stop and think about, all right, well, yeah, the movement down did happen within a short amount of time, considering it happened in 1 day. But where did it go? Where did it end? Well, it ended right there. That's where the price closed. And you look at where it all started. Well, now the price is actually below where it all started. So that's why I say pump and dump. Now, just because the price action was a pump and up, I'm not saying that a whole new move can't get started. So I would say back to the drawing board too. So the bulls can certainly put together a new upwards price movement. But as far as this price movement here was concerned, was there any sort of true power behind it? No, there wasn't any sort of true power behind it. Again, what gives me the right to say that? Well, movements with true power don't go back to where they started, or in this case, lower. I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. So as far as PUPS is concerned, pump and dump price action, maybe the bulls can get something new started, but yeah, definitely back to the drawing board. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.